Welcome to the Agentic AI Cycle for software automation testing. In this video, we are going to the framework structure of our Agentic AI Cycle, which is developed for the software automation testing. Before going towards the framework, we are analyzing the framework structure based on the chart. So you are easily getting the folder structure. This is the CrewAI Python based framework. We are using the CrewAI platform to build our agents and perform end-to-end cycle by using those agents in our automation testing. So you if you see here, the black box is the complete our framework. In that there is a gray box. The gray box is nothing but the source folder. So we are focusing on the source folder having the some development of agentic AI cycle. So you need to develop these things in your framework. Based on that, we created some subfolders in the source folder. So the first folder is the agent folder. So agent folders having the lot of agents which are required to our software automation testing cycle. They're having the test case designer agent, executioner agent, test reporter agent as well, test script writer as well. Along with that, we're having this some stories. So you have the requirement stories such as user stories, any acceptance criteria is there, any SRS document is there. Means these requirements you can store in the stories folder. So then this is the task folder. So task folder we having the lots of tasks. So you should assign those tasks to your agents. So based on that task, agents can perform accurately those specific tasks which is attached to the agent. So in the main folder, we created the execution file. Means execution file require the agents, stories and the task. We can assign the task to the agents in the main folder in the any particular array diagram. After that, as an input, you should assign the user stories, that is the specific story, to the execution file. So based on these things, we are going to develop the cycle which perform end-to-end task in our software automation testing. And there is one folder that is the tools folder. So tools are nothing but the customized scripts to perform the specific task. Suppose if you want like my agent to transfer the files from one folder to the another folder, in that case you need to develop customized scripts because agents work on LLM. LLM means large language model. So they don't know your system. So those scripts are stored in your tools folder. So this is the CrewAI Python based framework. So just ignore those folders and the files as well. You just need to focus on the source folder. So source folder, as per the structure, we having the agent folder, main folder, storage folder, task folder, tools folder. So here we are develop some agents. These agents we are stored in the agents folder. Then there are some execution files we kept in the main folder. Then these are these user stories like hotel booking, login story, payment story. So we are stored in the stories folder. Then this is the task folders. So you should assign this task to the your agents. So this is the tools folder. We having the customized scripts. So based on our any customization task, we should write down these scripts and assign these scripts to the agent. As per this type, we are develop our Python based framework for software automation. So in the next video, we are going towards the requirement analyzer agent and its work. Thank you. If you have any question, please write down in the comment box.